this is the BIOSSANCE Squalane and Omega Repair Cream. It is a face cream meant to add a lot of moisture to your skin. The product itself is great. This is what it looks like. This is how it applies on my hand. It's very lightweight, but it packs a punch. It's very powerful. Your skin will feel great after it. The issue is the smell. I think it's the Squalane. It's not a pleasant smell. And when I put it all over my face, I just smell that all day long. I love BIOSSANCE. I love Squalane as an ingredient. I cannot use this because of the smell. Instead, I like to use the BIOSSANCE Squalane plus vitamin C rose moisturizer. I don't know if it's the introduction of like the rose or the parts of the formula that include the vitamin C, but somehow they were able to really kind of remedy the stink that is the scent of the Squalane. This one smells much more pleasant. It's just got more of like a fresh, yeah, it smells like it just rained and you stepped outside and you're breathing in that smell. It doesn't have a really off-putting scent the way that the Omega Repair Cream does. And I'm sure that a lot of the ingredients are different. You know, this is like a repair cream. This doesn't really mention anything about repairing your skin, but holy cow, I think this is a really great moisturizer. It's a little bit thicker actually, I believe, than the Omega Repair Cream, and it just feels very cushy on the face. It just feels so luxurious, and it feels like it's really sinking right in and like starting to do the Lord's work. It's a very lovely product, and if I had to choose between the two, honestly, I would choose almost anything over this. But if you wanted to stay with BIOSSANCE, which I think is a really lovely brand, I think it's a great brand with great products, and Squalane is a really great ingredient for skincare. If you want to stay with the brand and you want to continue utilizing Squalane as an ingredient on your face, I think this is the way to go. It just smells so much better. It's a great formula that will give you a lot of the same benefits that this product will, and it will do all of that without your face being a little smelly. So if I had to choose between the two, I would go with this.